So it is St. Patty's Day and we are getting ready and having some snacks, some questionable chips and guac, I think, and Shamrock Shakes from McDonald's. Yum.
My jacket was a gift, and my top and pants are from American Apparel. And my accessories are from the Dollar Tree.
It's like 2 o'clock. I got substantially bored of standing around and awkwardly dancing, so I'm headed to my boyfriend's room where he's playing video games with some of his friends, and I don't play video games, so I'm just gonna hang out. We got bored of partying, so now we're home.
I got bored a long time ago.
Making slime?
Yep.
Cuddling the dog. Some of us are still dressed for the party. I just took a ridiculously long nap, and now Margaret's making us dinner. Yay, Margaret! We are having a candlelit dinner, and it's delicious. Thank you, Margaret.
You're welcome.
Laying on the floor, getting ready for party round 2. It's 10, and I did my makeup again, got dressed again, and I'm ready. That's my kind of day, taking a really long nap in the middle of it, and then going back out. Hey, so it's like 1 o'clock. I am just going to take care of my face and go to sleep. I already took the dog out, and I had a really fantastic day.